you're looking to grow your reach on Instagram, then stick around because I have a brand new strategy that I want to share with you in this video. Hey there, I'm Lisa Suazo, your Marketing Technology Director with My Home, here with today's Nerd Nugget, your bite-sized marketing technology tip that you can implement into your business today. So recently, the head of Instagram, Adam Mosseri, who, if you don't follow on Instagram, you definitely should. He drops these really awesome nuggets. He just dropped a great tip for improving your reach on Instagram. And guess what it is? Posting more carousels. As of August 2024, Instagram now supports 20 photos in their carousels instead of just 10. So they basically doubled the amount of photos that you can use, or I guess I should say photos and videos combined. And here's why leaning into these carousels can make a big difference to your reach, according to Adam. Number one, they provide the ability for more interaction. So if you can imagine, right, somebody, instead of just like looking at one photo, reading your caption and moving on, if somebody has to scroll through 15 videos / photos kind of telling a story, it is more engagement time, more interaction time with someone in your audience, which also informs the algorithm and gives you more reach, right? It's showing that you have really relevant content. So more interaction is one. Number two is second chances. So this is something that's really cool, is Instagram said basically, if someone isn't swiping through your carousel post the first time, oftentimes what they're gonna do is they're gonna reserve your post up for a second chance. So basically giving that person another image, a different image than the one that they did at first, to kind of try to start to get them engaged with that post. So that I thought was very interesting. And then also for all of your carousels, I recommend adding music. You can now add music to your carousel posts. And what that does is not only make it just more engaging for your audience, but that kind of adds it and makes it a video friendly post, which will then Instagram will put into the Reels feed. So that is another way to get that post reach in front of other people that are not already following you. So Instagram's really just putting some energy into their carousel post, and so you can use them to try to get more reach for your content. Carousel posts are a really great, smart way to boost engagement. And so I would say give them a try, see how they can boost your engagement and your reach, and then let me know how it's working for you. I hope that tip was helpful for you. As always, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.